Ankita was talking about Sushant Singh Rajput.
Right.
Okay, and मुझे honestly वहाँ पर मुझे उस even if she was genuine, that spot did not make it look genuine. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था she is using Sushant. Vicky is standing out more than Ankita. उसके नाम से इसे कुछ benefit हो जाए in terms of viewership or maybe you know getting people's emotions and connections. I think I will go with Abhishek and Munawar for sure. And Rinku. Munawar and Manara are as close as what Rinku and Jigna are. So honestly speaking, कोई preparation ही नहीं थी. Because वो I think entry से एक दिन पहले तक she was shooting. So उसका जो show चालू था on Star and she was shooting for that. And of course she was constantly busy on the phone because उसकी only coordination was phone call. Because वो घर ही रात को 11 साढ़े 11 बजे आती थी. And there was no time that you know, and like obviously when you're working you don't get a lot of time कि आप you know Big Boss show देख रहे हो या क्या हुआ है series में. Like मम्मी और मैं तो constant lovers of Big Boss है. Like we wait कि season खत्म होता है तो लगता है oh God when is the next season going to come.
Now what to do?
So we are yeah like we feel suddenly there's vacuum. अभी Big Boss खत्म हो गया तो कुछ है ही नहीं. And when we got to know कि you know Rinku's going to enter, we were very proud because Big Boss is one show that I think it's a platform जो लोगों को शायद यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचा देता है in all the possible ways, be it exposure, be it promotions, be it new work. यहाँ तक कि कहीं लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने बहुत साल पहले काम किया होता है and it's like a you know relaunch for them. So it's a very big platform and not only from you know profession point of view. But also personally,
Yes.
आपको I think जैसे for instance अभी जैसे मैं रिंकू की बात करूँ, रिंकू naturally is a very lovable person and she has her reservations. वो बहुत easily सबके साथ बात नहीं करती. She takes time to connect to people. But ये है कि if she connects with somebody, then she is there like a rock. फिर तो तूफान भी आ जाएगा तो first that तूफान has to face रिंकू and then it will hit the other person. It's like that. तो ऑफ कोर्स वो मतलब टिपिकल पंजाबी पटाखा है. मतलब फ्रॉम फन एलिमेंट टू सीरियसनेस यू नो टू बी लव बाय एवरीवन, चाहे वो बच्चा हो बूढ़ा हो या उसकी एज का हो. लाइक नोबडी कैन रेजिस्ट हर. शी इज अ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव पर्सनैलिटी एंड एट द सेम टाइम लाइक आई सेड कि शी हैज़ अ रेजर्वेशंस. तो वो बहुत जल्दी ओपन अप नहीं होती कि और शी विल नॉट बी जजमेंटल अबाउट एनीबॉडी. She will take her own time to understand कि ये person की characteristic या personality क्या है, so that you know she can interact with that person, keeping in mind कि भाई इसकी ये nature ही ऐसी है. You know sometimes maybe I'm very stubborn. So अभी कोई मुझे बोलेगा जो unknown person होगा उसको लगेगा कितनी जिद कर रही है, but somebody will feel that no वो ऐसे ही है. You know nothing that she has in her heart, but she is like that. So Rinku is exactly like this. So like I said, when we got to know about her Big Boss entry, we were very happy. She had no time for preparation. So वो जो है वो एकदम 100% organic है. 100%. मतलब मैं आपको ये भी नहीं बोल सकती कि अच्छा शायद उसने कोई एपिसोड देखा या हम लोगों से कुछ सुना. Nothing. यहाँ तक कि वो ऐसी लड़की है कि उसको ये भी नहीं होता कि ओ आई हैव टू गो टू बिग बॉस, यार मैं इतने टाइम होंगी नहीं होंगी, मुझे ये कपड़े लेने ये करने, कुछ नहीं. आप उसको एवरीडे शॉर्ट्स एंड टी शर्ट्स दे दो, शी डजंट. मतलब उसको ये भी नहीं होता कि यू नो आई एम एन एक्टर और आई एम अ सेलिब्रिटी एंड आई नीड टू लुक गुड ऑन स्क्रीन. शी इज जस्ट देयर. पीपल हैव टू लव मी फॉर व्हाट आई एम एंड द वे आई एम. वो वैसी है.
In the beginning years, for many years she was there. And then of course there was a low phase, and then there was COVID. So she's gone through hard times, but
she's made a comeback.
yes,
Right.
She's made a comeback.
Great comeback.
A great comeback.
Yes.
So yeah, like she is a very veteran actress. I
Yes.
mean she's been in this industry when
30 years.
she was
Age of
almost
17.
17 when she
Yes.
started her first show, and today she's almost 47. So she's done lot of work with lot of great people, be it from you know people who probably are no more you know in
She
the
started
world.
with the B.R. Chopra band.
Yes.
Right.
So
An iconic show.
yes,
Ekta Kapoor
yes.
she
Then
started.
Swabhiman, and then followed by Itihas,
Very
and then
many shows.
very many. Like there are nameless shows that she's been into. She's a very talented actress, and उसको देखकर ना ऐसे लगता नहीं है कि शी इज एक्टिंग, शी इज सो नेचुरल बिकॉज शी गेट्स इनटू द कैरेक्टर. सो हर जर्नी इज बीन ब्यूटीफुल. ऑफ कोर्स अप्स एंड डाउन्स हर ह्यूमन के लाइफ में आते हैं, नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशन वाइज, अदरवाइज ऑल्सो. सो देयर हैज बीन अ लिटिल बैड पैच एंड देन अगेन थिंग्स वर वेरी नाइस. शी केम बैक विद ये वादा रहा on ZTV, and again she became a very popular Thai, and you know she had the guts. Yeah, then she had guts to go bald on screen for that show and everything. So it was really nice. Then again there was like a little gap. I think वो actress के साथ थोड़ा हो जाता है. And then she started the show Titli and she was really doing fine. And I think God's been very kind because ये show अभी you know it was just going to go off air and she signed Big Boss. So I think things just fell in place and I think she's been in her journey कि वो कहते हैं ना कि जब जिसको जहाँ पहुँचना है वो उस टाइम पर वहाँ पहुँच जाता है. So I think Big Boss का जैसे अगर उसको पहले भी कभी offers या proposals अगर आए भी हों to my best of knowledge, so you know sometimes you're not very mentally prepared to be in that house and maybe you need to see there are some जैसे रिंकू to one point of time, like from media point of view, she's a very private person. Right. I mean, she would not you know talk about what's her personal life. आप as an actor उससे कुछ भी question करो, but when it comes to her family, she would never want to talk anything on it. Yeah, she's super reserved. Yes. मतलब वो कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ था when she was very young and naive and you know she was still like just a new talented actress. And I remember we used to go out, so you know mob of people, they come, they recognize you, they want to take your photograph and autograph. So she would be the one who would say कि नहीं वो मेरी जुड़वा बहन है कि मैं नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि ये मेरा टाइम है, I've come to do something, so I don't want to interact with people. Now of course she was a popular face, तो लोग आएंगे तो वो ये बोलती नहीं आपको गलत फहमी हुई है, मेरी जुड़वा बहन है. See I think जितने भी relations बिग बॉस हाउस में भी अगर रिंकू के बनेंगे, from Rinku's end, you know, I can 100% vouch for it कि वो जो भी होगी वो वही है जो वो दिल से फील करती है. एंड एग्जैक्टली मतलब मुनव्वर के साथ ऐसे होगा कि मान लीजिए कि कल को ऐसा टाइम आएगा, सी एट द एंड ऑफ इट दे आर कंपेटिटर्स इन द शो, so there will be a time when they may even have to nominate each other, but her bond is not going to get affected by the nomination because I cannot right now say how it is going to impact inside the house, but I know one thing for sure that whenever she's going to be out of the house, these relations whatever she's made in the house will be for life. Yes. Right. उसकी तरफ से वो end कभी नहीं होंगे unless the other person doesn't want to interact. So वो ऐसी है, वो basically see तो like I said, she's very loving, she's very calm, she keeps her poise very well. But it's just that कि अगर कोई उसे बहुत ज़्यादा उंगली करेगा ना, then she is literally like a tigress. मतलब फिर वो लैंग्वेज हो, बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो, या वो क्या बोल रही है या किस टोन में बोल रही है, then there is no control. I cannot say that you know they have a relationship or they are getting into a relationship, but yes जैसे आप हम 4 लोग हैं, 4 लोग में भी कोई 2 बहुत क्लोज होते हैं जिसके साथ आप जैसे रिंकू और जिग्ना है. So maybe I would say that Munawwar and Manara are as close as what Rinku and Jigna are.
Munawwar has a soft corner for Manara, not in a wrong way. Yes.
Yeah, I think as a good friend, you know, like he would stand with her. Manara, I think she's still a little kiddish.
Yes.
She's not mature. तो अगर हम जिग्ना
उनकी सिस्टर के नाम लेते तो she get
हाँ, जबकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है you should feel very proud of that moment. Yeah, she's very kiddish.
She had a
very big thing. So I think like in one of the weekend covers, Salman sir also had told her that is it that you feel bad अगर आपकी family का नाम, like if you're talking about Priyanka Chopra or Parineeti Chopra, that they are your sisters, your cousins or whatever, and they have done so good in this industry, and you are also in the line and you are doing good for yourself in your own way.
Correct.
So I think it, like जैसे अगर आज मैं actor हूँ और रिंकू actor है, but रिंकू even if she's my younger sister in the industry, she's senior to me.
Yeah.
And I would not deny the fact, which I always tell Rinku, that I really look up to her when it comes to you know, how to perform, how to get into an actor.
Next year she may get a chance to go.
See, that's, I'd be very happy. I mean, I like I said, it's my dream
She's
to
more
be.
of a social person.
Yeah, I'm very social and I'm too straightforward, too blunt. मतलब प्यार है तो प्यार है, गाली है तो गाली है.
You know,
I
जीना जी ने भी
think
अपने past के बारे में बात
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि if people don't have anything much to do from their end, तो वो किसी ऐसी स्टोरी को पिक करते हैं जिसमें उनको लगता है कि suddenly there is going to be a hype connecting to that relevant name.
Right.
For example, if I will tell you, I recently watched this episode where Ankita was talking about Sushant Singh Rajput.
Right.
Okay, and मुझे honestly वहाँ पर मुझे उस, even if she was genuine, that spot did not make it look genuine. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था she is using Sushant. I think मुनव्वर के साथ when she was talking and she was crying and मुझे वो बहुत fake लगा. Even if she was genuine, अगर if there was something that I shared with somebody in the past and that person is no more, I would not use his name to hype my own promotions or media or to be more, looked upon or get attracted by the cameras in the big boss house. I mean, that was my past and a bond that I shared. और अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है, why are you talking about it right now? Right. Suddenly आपको लगता है कि oh, you're not doing very great with your husband. Vicky is standing out more than Ankita, practically. अब अंकिता के पास कुछ नहीं है तो उसको लगता है कि okay, now maybe that is one of a strategy to pick up her past relation because that relationship and that actor also was very prominent in the industry. तो शायद उसके नाम से इसे कुछ benefit हो जाए in terms of viewership or maybe getting people's emotions and connections. But I think it portrays wrong. That is my perception. हो सकता है वो सही होगी, but like I said, the timing is wrong. यही चीज शायद वो बिग बॉस में ना होकर वैसे बोलती तो वो ज्यादा बिलीफ होता. रिंकू के साथ जो फेक है,
I think
अंकिता का तो मुझे रिलेशन अभी तक दिखा ही नहीं है एक्चुअली. सो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट मे बी खानजादी for the reason Rinku ka are you asking me if Rinku is fake with her or the other person? So I think Khanzadi to a certain extent, she is वो कैसे है कि she is in a shell, but अगर आप उसको कुछ भी बोलो, even if you want to correct her, she becomes very aggressive and violent and everything, and suddenly she's being like, I think she's very calculative and very manipulative in terms of कि कहाँ उसको subtle रहना है, कहाँ उसको loud होना है, जहाँ उसको loud नहीं भी होना था, suddenly she's bursting and creating an agenda to be visible. तो कभी कभी कुछ मुद्दे ऐसे होते हैं कि मुद्दे होते ही नहीं है लेकिन जबरदस्ती का दे आर जस्ट टॉकिंग फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट. तो वहाँ पर ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग जो लास्ट नॉमिनेशन भी हुई थी तो मुझे पर्सनली ऐसे लगा था कि यस, रिंकूज नॉमिनेशन फॉर मनारा वाज रॉन्ग. दैट्स व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील, क्योंकि मुझे स्ट्रांगली ऐसे लग रहा था कि शी वुड नॉमिनेट खानजादी. Because Khanzadi is very rebellious when it comes to the दिमाग का house and everything like room, and you want to be a part there. लेकिन अगर दिमाग वाले एक यूनिटी में रहते हैं तो suddenly अगर खानजादी को उस यूनिटी में से किसी ने भी एक चीज बोल दी तो she is against everybody and she is blabbering, जो of course मनारा के साथ भी दिखा, which Rinku rightly said. It was just in yesterday's episode कि game is a game. यहाँ पर हमें एक दूसरे को नॉमिनेट करना ही है. अब वो फैक्ट है कि वो मेरी चॉइस है, मुझे किसे नॉमिनेट करना है. इफ यू फील दैट आई एम रॉन्ग इन योर आईज, यू कैन ऑलवेज नॉमिनेट मी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कम एंड फाइट विथ यू, व्हाई आर यू नॉमिनेटिंग, और सडनली माय वेज चेंज. कि अगर आप एक महीने में इतने अच्छे थे, अब आपको मालूम है घर में कमरे में 5 लोग हैं, 5 में से आपको 2 को नॉमिनेट करना है, और जिन दोनों को हम नॉमिनेट कर रहे हैं वो दोनों ऐसे एग्रेसिव एंड अगेंस्ट द टीम हो जाते हैं. यही अगर उन्होंने रिंकू को नॉमिनेट किया होता, आई एम टेलिंग यू, वो तो ये भी नहीं बोलती कि व्हाई डिड यू नॉमिनेट मी. शी वुड ओनली गो विद द से कि दैट इज हर चॉइस. अभिषेक स्टैंड्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, चाहे वो कितना भी एग्रेसिव हो, बट ही इज डूइंग गुड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वीक टू द करंट वीक. ही इज रियली प्रोग्रेस्ड वेल. Vicky Jain again, he's visible everywhere, but I mean I think I will go with Abhishek and Munawar for sure, and Rinku. Right. But even at this point of time, when I see Rinku coming to the finale week, I would still want her to, she still kept her certain side. She has her funny element.
Rinku,
Munawar and Abhishek.